Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration YB19LJZ. 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof D/Cab Limited Van. It has done 136,000 miles with full service history including the wet belt, has had one owner from new, and is a SWB factory-fitted crew cab. The van comes with air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, parking sensors, alloys, and Apple CarPlay. This one-owner crew van is super competitively priced and includes a new cam belt, MOT, and warranty. It has a small dent in the back door but is otherwise super tidy. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.